welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be trying a waste of using Coca. I saw a video, they say use Coca on your natural hair and you will see results within 5 minutes. I was like, 5 good minutes, you will see results. You know, some people are just saying a lot of things. I don't know why they're saying something like that. Let's find out if Coca can actually grow your hair like people claim. Remember, I cut my hair 5 months ago and I started growing it back like 4 months ago. I used different kind of hair growth remedies. I saw so many things online, hair growth. I used the one that worked for me and I saw those ways stuff about using Coca on your hair. This Coca has a cooling effect on hair, especially on the scalp of the hair. So I never thought that using Coca on your hair can grow your hair. So I never even think of something like that. And I saw so many videos claiming that you should use Coca on your hair. Remember, Coca is meant for drinking. I started to use it on my hair to know if it actually works, which I decided to try this video to show you guys what it can actually do on your hair. But you have to watch this video to the full to know if it actually do what they claim it will do. That's why I made this video, so that I can clear your mind of that. So I finished everything on my hair. I bought the big one to know if it will actually work. So I use it on my hair to know if it will do what they say it will do. So before using Coca on your hair, watch this video. I use this for 15 good minutes to know if it will do what they claim that it will do. That's why I made up this video, so that I can show you guys what it can do. In conclusion, Coca will never grow your hair. It's not meant for hair growth at all. Coca will only make it to be thick and coily, but continuous use will disrupt the keratin on the hair and cause hair breakage. So don't use it continuously. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.